Okay, good day class. Today tuturo ko sa inyo yung definition of accounting. May tatlong institution na nagbigay ng definition ng accounting. So, yung unang institution na nagbigay nun is yung Accounting Standard Council. In short, ASC. Dinefine yung accounting as service activity na ang function daw is makapag-provide ng quantitative information. Meaning, numbers related yung information na dapat daw financial in nature, may kinalaman sa pera, na dapat useful in decision making ng mga primary users. So, sino ba yung primary users? Sila yung asset provider ng company, yung nagpo-provide ng ari-arian ng company. Nandito yung mga owners and then creditors. Creditors, nagpautang. Owners, may-ari. Okay? So next na nagbigay ng accounting definition is yung Committee on Accounting Terminology of the American Institute of Certified Public Accountant or CAT on AYACPA. Okay, or CAT of AYACPA. Define nila yung accounting as an art of recording, classifying, summarizing, and interpreting. Okay? Tinawag na art kasi meron daw creativity na involved habang ginagawa mo to, yung mga to. Okay? So, through recording, ang concern diyan is yung journal, paggawa ng journal. Sa journal kasi makikita mo yung historical financial records ng company. Then next is yung classifying, yung paggawa ng general ledger. Yung concern diyan is etong general ledger, dito nangyayari yung categorization ng mga transactions. Anong accounts title sila napapabilang. Okay? Then after that, siyempre, summarizing. Ayan. Kino-compress na natin yung financial information ng company through preparation ng financial statements. Okay? Financial statements, pinapakita dito yung financial position ng company and yung financial performance ng company. Then, syempre, after magawa tong financial statements, i-interpret na yan ng accountant. Bakit ganyan yung kinalabasan ng numbers? Ano ba nangyari sa nakaraan? Okay? Ganun po. Next, yung last na nagbigay ng accounting definition is yung American Accounting Association. Nila yung accounting as a process of identifying, measuring, and communicating. When we say identifying, ito yung analytical component ng ating accounting process na ang concern natin ma-determine na yung external and internal events is recordable ba or not. When we say external events, ito yung mga transaction na merong involvement yung other party. When we say naman na internal events, ito yung mga events or transaction within the company. Meaning, walang involvement yung other party. So, paano natin malalaman kung recordable or not? Simple lang. Kung meron silang impact sa ating chart of accounts, and dapat naka-quantify natin yon. Otherwise, kung kulang ng requisites, hindi natin ire-record. Sir, ano po ba yung chart of accounts? Yung chart of accounts, ayan po yung ating assets, liabilities, and or equity. Kung meron pong impact sa mga yan, ire-record po natin yung transaction and basta dapat quantifiable. Okay? So, yun po. Next natin is yung measuring. Measuring po, ito po yung technical component ng ating accounting process. Ang concern po dito, anong amount yung gagamitin natin? Kasi sa accounting, bibigyan ka po ng maraming amount dyan. And ano dyan yung nararapat mong gamitin that time? Okay? So, yun po. Next is yung communicating. Ito na po yung last part ng ating accounting process. Ito po yung formal component ng ating ah, accounting process. Dito po sa communicating, ginagawa po yung financial statements. Kasi po, yung financial statements, nagpo-provide po yan ng implicit communication. Meaning, hindi na po kailangan magsalita ng numbers para maihatid yung kanyang message. Through numbers po, naihahatid po yung thought doon sa mga users. Okay? Through numbers na nakalagay doon sa ating financial statements. Yung financial statements po, siya na po yung magiging tulay para maintindihan kung ano yung nangyari sa nakaraan. Okay. So, bago po siya magawa siyempre kailangan meron tayong record, meron tayong journal, general ledger, and classifying, and also summarizing, 'yan na po yung financial statements. So, yun lang naman po yung cover ng ating definition of accounting. Thank you po.